So students, you have seen the video. In that we have studied what is fraction. Yes or no? So here we will start with the chapter problem set 17. Question number 1. Write the proper numbers in the box. So here first question is 1 upon 2 is equals to dash upon 20. So we have to find what will come in the box. Here denominator is 2, numerator is 1. Here denominator is 20, numerator is dash. So we have to find. So we'll write the solution 1. So we'll write here 1 upon 2 is equals to. What we have to do, we have to do the multiplication. Understood? So here 2. Which number should we multiply by 2 so that we get the answer 20? Yes, 2 tens are 20. We'll get the answer. Yes or no? Yes. But we also know that we have learned the equivalent fraction, that is when we multiply any number with denominator, we have to multiply the same number with the numerator. So we get the answer as 1 tens are 10 and 2 tens are 20. So here 10 is what? 10 is the answer. So what will come here? Here it will come as 10. Same way we will do the second sum. We will write here solution 2. 3 upon 4. So what we will do here? 3 multiply by the number, 4 multiply by the number. Which number? So here 15 is there. So we have to take such a number, when we multiply it by 3, we get the answer 15. So in 3 tables, what should we multiply with which number? 3 5s are 15. So if we are multiplying numerator with 5, we have to multiply denominator with 5. Yes or no? So we get the answer what? 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Understood? So what will come here? 20. Same as it is third sum. 9 upon 11. So 9 multiply by and 11 multiply by. So we have to multiply 9 with such a number that we get the answer 18. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So here we have to take the number again 2. So what we get the answer? 9 twos are 18 and 11 twos are 22. So here the answer will be 22. Understood? Very easy, no? So this chapter is very easy. Now we'll move on to the fourth sum. So in fourth sum, again, solution 4. So here in the previous sums, we have seen that here the smaller number were there, or we can say that the number which is given and the number which we have to find, if the finding number is less than the question, then we have to do the division. And if the finding number is more than the question, then we have to do the multiplication. So here the answer which we have to find, here it is less than this number, that is the question. So we have to do here the division. So 10 upon 40, which is equals to 10 40. Divide by. Understood? So here we have to divide a 40 with such a number that we get the answer as 8. So which number we will take here? Yes, we will take here 5. We know that 5 8s are 40. If we will divide 5 by 40, we get the answer 8. So if we will dividing here by 5, we will also divide here by 5. So we get the answer, when we divide 5 10, so we get the answer as 2 upon 8. So here the answer is 2. We will write here 2. Understood? Now we will move on to fifth question. Fifth question, again here this number is smaller than this. That is the question. We have to find the smaller number. So again we will have to do the division. So 14 upon 26. So we have to divide 26. That is, we have to divide the 26 with such a number that we get the answer 13. So in 13's table, 26 comes as 13 2s are 26. So again here when we divide 2 by 26, 26 by 2 we get the answer 13. So again if denominator is having 2, that is the number through which we are dividing is 2. So in numerator also we will take 2. So here we know the answer is 13. So when we divide 14 by 2, we get the answer as 7. So here in the box 7 will come. Understood? Now we will move on to sixth sum. So again here the smaller number, here the bigger number. So again what we have to do is same thing, we have to do the division. So we have to divide 6 by such a number that we get the answer 3. So we will take here as 2. Why? Because when we divide 2 by 6 by 2, we get the answer 3. So here if it is 2, here again will come as 2. So when we divide 4 by 2, we get the answer as 2 upon 3. Understood? If you cannot understand, I'll make you here. We will do the rough column. 2, 6. 2 3s are 6. We get the answer here 0. Understood? Now we'll move on to next. Here 4 upon 20. So 4 20 divide by. We have to divide 4 by such a number that we get the answer 1. So here 4 divided by 4, obviously we get the answer 1. So if we're dividing here by 4, we have to divide here by also 4. So 1 upon 4. What will be the answer? I'll show you the division. 4 20. 4 5s are 20. Understood? So what answer will come here? 5. So in the box will be 5. Understood? So here we have not written in the box. What will come here? 2. Last sum, that is, what is the sum here? Again here it is the greater number. 10 upon 25. So we have to divide 25 by such a number that we get the answer as 5. So what will we take here as 5 only? Yes or no? Because 5 5s are 25. I'll show you here the division. 5 25. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 0. So we get the answer here 5. Yes or no? So if we are dividing here by 5, we have to take numerator as also 5. So 10 divided by 5, we get the answer 2. And 25 divided by 5, we get the answer 5. So the answer is 2. Understood? So in this way, we have done the problem set 17. Question 1, we have to fill the boxes. Understood?